Okay, this video we're going to show you how to install your fuel neck replacement system for your Kenworth truck. First, remove obviously your old cap from your fuel neck. Make sure the threads are clean and free of fuel debris. Secondly, lubricate your O-ring underside surface, and you may also want to lubricate the threads a little just to make it a little easier on you to install. Start installing by hand. Tighten as tight as you can get by hand. Then use a non-marking strap wrench such as this. Get it nice and tight. If you need to, you can use a breaker bar too. We've done that in the past. But just keep working it until you bottom it out completely. I can see in between here that my O-ring is sealed against my old fuel neck, sealing it. The second and last step, take your, well actually before that, you want to take your included Allen wrench and set screws. Carefully taking them out. Start them out. Number 3, there are 3 of them. Then you're going to tighten those down. Tighten them down as tight as you can. You can use some Loctite. I never have. I've never had any come loose. But you're going to tighten those down and bottom them out. I'm not going to do this on mine. It's for demonstration purposes. So I've installed and tightened my set screws. The last step, make sure that your retaining chain is attached and secure. Double check it. Make sure that it's nice and secure. Drop in your retaining spring into your tank. You may want to add a little oil here. We do when we assemble them, but a little more just to help the break in. And that completes the installation.